Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the festival raid schedule and which raid type grants honors. This sets your timing. Next, form a balanced 4-5 player squad so you don't waste runs. Make sure tanks and damage dealers are covered. Once done, queue the raid during peak activity to reduce wait times and invite reliable players. Finally, consume key consumables before entry to maximize first phase damage. Because higher early output increases, honor yield and shortens total clear time. You now handle the complex middle steps. Coordinate burst windows and mechanics so you don't overlap cooldowns and lose efficiency. While one player handles crowd control, others save big multipliers for the boss weak phase. This ensures maximum honor per hit. Make sure to call target switches and announce stun or interrupt timings, because synchronized damage raises total raid progress. Once mechanics are stable, push consistent DPS in each phase and prioritize survival to avoid costly wipes. You close the raid by focusing all resources on the final damage window. Everyone uses remaining potions, buffs, and ultimates to hit percent thresholds that unlock higher honor tiers. After victory, claim rewards immediately and distribute loot or honors according to prearranged rules to keep team cohesion for repeat runs. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Adjust party composition, reassign mechanics, or lower gear burden to improve survivability, because small role fixes between attempts boost overall honor gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.